Whew, I'm up here. Man, I am up here. Watch my step. Whoa, whoa. Watch my step. It's really be something terrible to put on YouTube. I end up busting my ass falling off of this hill here. Cats coming through there swimming around here, jumping off the bridge and all kinds of stuff. Oh, I'm up here. I'm sure you can see, but I'm up on top of the trees. I'm looking down on them. There's one next to me, but there's also one under me. One of my little favorite spots out here. Train already went by, so I'm good. I'm good. See what I deal with. See what I deal with. Woo. See what we deal with there. Oh shit. I don't like this little raggedy walkway, because it's straight down through. Hold on to this rope, keep my arm on this rope. Ooh, the water look good today though. Cats fishing. Man and wife down here with his kids. Water look good today. Yo, the tide look high down here, yo.
This ain't breaking, this is steel. I'll be ahead there. How long I've been partying down here? I'm just talking safety-wise. Safety-wise. I'm talking safety-wise. They'll carry your weapon.
Yes. For my bag of tricks.
Down here.
That's a spot down there. Probably gonna get some video of that from the left side in a couple minutes. Oh yeah. This is my spot. Come to Baltimore. See, as you see, it's nice and hidden. You can't just fall upon this. You got to know about this. You know, you got to be from here and to walk these walks and taking these trails. You know what I'm saying? It's beautiful places. People wonder why. You know, you can have your city life sometimes. City life got its place. But there's nothing out there like this here. Natural, running water. Summertime, we come here and go swimming. Free, up air. Where you see the white water at. I'm gonna get some film footage of that in a couple of minutes, but it's packed in the summertime. Coolers, a little bit of grilling, swimming, family and friends. You see the guy, Spanish gentleman down there with his wife and kids. There's another gentleman over there with his wife and kids, guy with his girl. This is a very nice area. If you ever get the chance to come to Baltimore, Maryland, check out the northeast side areas, county areas, because we have beautiful, beautiful places for you to see. One.